staring back in time. The two of us intertwined, and your black boots.
Let's see what's on. No. No. Hey, that. Dr. Cooper, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Like, I'm sitting on the couch, flipping through channels, trying to find something to watch. What are you doing? I'm just chilling out down here on the floor. Is there a problem with that? You do realize that the floor has like millions of germs, right? Yeah. Whatever. You know what? I don't want to hear that. Fine. And another thing. Why do we have a hurricane warning flag in our house? Because my dad bought it, we put it outside in the event of a hurricane. This is New York City, Meghann. Don't have hurricanes here. Yeah, actually we do because we live near the water. We get thunderstorms, tornadoes, and hurricanes, so it's a triple whammy. That doesn't make any sense. Actually, yeah, it does. Like, you know what? Why don't you put that somewhere when it's out of the way? Well, where do you want me to put it? I don't understand what... Oh! Leo? Oh, great. Leo, why do you look like you just ran 10 miles? Because I came over here to tell you guys something. Well, what is it? Yeah, say, Leo, what is it? Okay, I heard on the radio that there's a hurricane coming. Seriously? Like, are you like legitimately joking right now? No, dude, I'm serious. There's a hurricane literally coming straight for us. Okay, well, what's the name of it? Hurricane 7? Wasn't there a Hurricane 6 that hit somewhere? Yeah, but what does that have to do with this? I don't know. Well, that's just really stupid. Oh, great. Just what we needed. Yeah, so what are we gonna do? Well, first of all, are we under a hurricane warning or what? I'm assuming so, because it's heading straight for us. They're saying, like, it's a direct hit. That is not assuming, Leo. You either know it or you don't. Yeah, well, Dr. Cooper, stop yelling at me. This is not the time for this, okay? Alright. What is all the yelling up here for? Dad, Leo just came over to say that there's a hurricane coming. Oh, seriously? Yeah. It's heading directly toward us. It's like 50 or 100 miles offshore. Oh, great. Well, you know what that means. We gotta start preparing. Yeah. We get it, Dad. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye! Sarah, shut up! Why are you doing that?
Because I want to, okay, Brian? You shut up.
Alright. Here's the plan. Alright, here's the plan. We got a hurricane coming. So, we need to start boarding up the house and making all the regular preparations we can. And that includes taking the hurricane warning flag and putting it outside.
Dad, we don't even know if we're under a hurricane warning yet.
It doesn't matter, Meghann. Take the flag and put it outside.
Okay, jeez. You don't need to scream at me, Dad.
Alright, let's get going, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna get this one. You get the other one, Leo.
You got it. You got it? Yeah. Almost.
Dude, move it!
That's what I'm doing. Jeez.
Okay. Let's get this open. Okay, in you go. Alright. You get the wheelbarrow and the sandbags. I'm gonna go cover the windows and the garage door windows.
Got it, Bessie. Come here, wheelbarrow. Ugh. Ugh. There we go.
Okay, perfect. Oh, that's perfect.
Okay, Leo, quit clowning around. Come on. Try to have a little fun here. Dude, this is not time for fun and games. We're preparing for hurricane. We need to be sandbags down in front of the door. Alright. Why are you so edgy? Well, because you're not supposed to be doing that kind of stuff, okay? Especially since we're preparing for Hurricane 7. Alright. Alright, now hand me a sandbag. Alright. Dude, why did you throw that at me? I was just throwing that at you as a joke. Dude, there is a deadly hurricane heading straight for us. This is not the time for fooling around. Just hand me them. You don't need to throw them at me. Okay, jeez. Here. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Here, help me. We need to make sure that they're packed good and tight. There. Oh, I think that's good. Yeah, it is. So what do we do now? I have no idea. What are you amateurs doing? We were just putting sandbags on. But come on, we don't have much time. Yeah, that's what I was just telling Leo. Okay. Alright, so you got the sandbags down, you got the windows all boarded up. Now, come on, let's go. Well, did you finish boarding up the windows in the backyard? Yes. Except for the upstairs ones. Well, it looks like we gotta get a ladder and go board them up. Come on, Leo, let's go. Oh, come on. Leo, don't do that. Alright, come on, everybody. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's report back. Alright. Mom and I, we just did some shopping. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. Good, good. Keep it coming. Let's see what else.
Sierra and I just moved the couch into the garage.
Alright, good. What next? I just boarded up all the windows in the backyard. Alright, good, Dr. Cooper. What's next?
Leo and I just put sandbags down in front of the door. Oh, and I boarded up the windows on the front door and the garage.
Good.
What did you do, Dad?
Oh, well, I had most important job.
Which is what?
Absolutely nothing. Dad. I'm just joking. I just arranged for us to go to hurricane shelter. Perfect. Yeah, classic dad. Yeah, that was so really stupid what you said before, saying you didn't do anything. Yeah, well, alright, well, still got a ton of stuff to do still, so let's get moving.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, hey Jeremy. We're preparing for hurricane.
Hurricane 7?
Yeah? What you know about that?
Heard it over the radio. Oh, me too. Hey, what's up, dude? Nothing much, Leo.
Yeah. So how's your preparing going?
It's going pretty good. Yeah, we're getting a lot of stuff done.
Us too.
Hey! Okay, hey! I hate to break up the chit-chat with your boyfriend, but we really need to continue the pace here.
Okay, jeez, Dr. Cooper. Sorry about my roommate. He's being very noisy.
I heard that we're supposed to... You know, preparing for hurricane sounds kind of romantic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too.
Hey! Hey! What did I say? Come on!
Alright, jeez.
Oh, good lord. Seriously? Meghann and Jenny, you're seriously going to make out like that in front of the garage door when there's a hurricane coming toward us?
Yeah. 'Cause he's my boyfriend.
Yeah, man. Cool it. I will not cool it, okay? This is a serious situation. Yeah, whatever, man. Alright, you know what? I give up. Yeah, it's your funeral, you guys. Oh, great. Hey, you guys really should cut it out.
Leo, this is not any of your concern right now.
Yeah, seriously, dude. If me and my girlfriend want to kiss each other and make out, then so be it.
Okay, I'm getting out of this conversation.
Alright. You know what? This is really not funny. come on. Let's pick it up and let's go to the shelter. Because the wind is already starting to pick up. Oh wow, I didn't even notice that. Alright, well, come on, guys, it's moving. Alright, whatever. Not really. Hey, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Julia, calm down. Yeah, calm down. Seriously. Yeah, seriously, Julia. You don't need to get all spazzy. Okay, jeez. Sorry, Dr. Cooper. It's just... This is so crazy. Yeah, we get it. Oh. Wow. It's getting amped up out there. Yeah. Oh, hey, Nova. Hey. Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, Barbie. Prepare for trouble. Yeah, you idiots. Oh no. You two are not coming in here. Oh, shut up, Meghann. This is a hurricane shelter. We can be in here if we want. No. You're going back out there with the hurricane. Oh, what? You can't kick us out. Yeah, I can. So get out. You don't need to be here. No. I think we do. Because that hurricane's gonna kill us. Well, I don't care. Get out. Don't you dare. Oh! Ah! Bye! Suckers. You little brat! Why'd you do that? Because you deserve it. No, my sister did not deserve that, and I didn't either. Oh my god, my chainsaw! Seriously, Rebecca? Carry that thing around anyway. It's my weapon of choice, you idiot. Yeah, well, that piece of hardware doesn't have any place in a freaking hurricane shelter. Shut your mouth, Meghann. No, I will not shut my mouth. Well, then I'll shut it for you. Get out of my face, Twister. Seriously, get out, Twister. Yeah, seriously. No one wants it here. Shut it, Dr. Cooper. You know what? You are all idiots, okay? You think I want to be in here with you? I'd rather stick my head in the door and step on a bed of nails than being here with you.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, who said that? Seriously, who said that?
I did.
Shut up, Ace.
Don't tell my friend to shut up, okay? It's you that needs to shut up.
No. I think you need to shut up. And you know what? Why don't I just push you out the door like you just did to me? Let's see how you like those hurricane force winds. You wouldn't dare. Oh yeah? Oh my god, no! Ha ha! Ha 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 ha! You idiot! You just tossed my roommate out into the hurricane force winds. Are you insane? No. I think you are. Now I'm going out there to rescue my roommate. Be my guest. It's your funeral. Oh, stop it. Meghann! Oh, okay, come in. Come in. Thanks a lot, Twister. You just made me get hurt. You deserve that.
No, I didn't.
I think you do, because you just pushed me and my sister out not even like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, well, ow!
Okay, come here. Come on.
Ow.
Are you alright?
Not really. I got hit with like a bunch of water and wind.
But that's the same thing that happened to me and my sister. So I hope you like that.
I don't, Twister.
Why don't you shut up, alright? Just sit and shut up.
This hurricane is so strong. Yeah, right.
You're alright. You're alright. Calm down.
That's easy for you to say. You're not the one who got shoved out the door.
Right. You know what? I think I've had enough.
Good. Then why don't you get out?
I don't think so. I'm not leaving. And neither is my sister.
Oh, great. my God. Oh, thank God Officer Mason's here.
Ugh. Can you get Twister and his sister out of here?
Oh my God, what? Why? Okay, Twister, Rebecca, why are you two in here?
Because there's a hurricane going on outside.
Yeah, I'm aware. That's why I ran in here. Well, you know what? You two need to go somewhere else.
I don't think so. You're not kicking me and my sister out.
Twister, if you don't get out, you and your sister are going to jail.
As if.
You think I'm bluffing? I will literally throw you on the ground and shove you out the door.
Yeah, right. Oh my God!
Okay, come on! Out! Oh, and Rebecca, you forgot your chainsaw. There you go. Is everybody okay in here? Except for me. What happened, Meghann? Twister shoved me out the door into the hurricane force winds. Oh, great. Oh, man. Look at the damage.
Oh, jeez. Whoa. That's a lot of damage that the storm did.
Yeah. Oh, Meghann, what are you doing? I'm trying to walk. Meghann, you're hurt, okay? Don't. Okay, yeah. Come on, we're gonna get you out of here. We're gonna take you to the hospital. Mom, no. I don't need to go to the hospital.
I think you do, okay? Come on. Even though that I hate hospitals. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Holy crap. Yeah. Well, you can always rebuild. Well, I think I'm gonna head home, check on my family, and see if my house survived. Alright, later, Journey. Later. Oh yeah!
Na 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 na, na 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 na. Hey, 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 goodbye!
Sarah!
Shut up!
Staring back in time, the two of us intertwined, and your black boots walking fast next to mine. We were chasing the